The Cavs are at home versus the Thunder, and LeBron James, he's just 25 points away from 30,000 career points. But unfortunately, he did not get it tonight. He finished with 18 points, had a very rough start, and the Thunder absolutely destroyed the Cavs. They scored 148 points in this game. 148. That is unacceptable. The Thunder's big three combined for 88 points. Paul George had 36. And this game is very concerning because in the first 3 minutes of the game, you knew the Cavs were going to lose. They could not match up with the Thunder. You could just see it. The first quarter, they allowed 43 points. Steven Adams was being a bully in the paint. He was looking like a Hall of Famer. He was scoring all over the place, getting rebounds. He was blocking shots. It doesn't matter who has the ball. The Cavs can't keep anybody out of the paint. Everybody is beating their man in a 1v1 setting. Here's the one highlight of the night for the Cavs. Way to LeBron James. That's a classic connection. But you have to remember that the Thunder, they've been struggling this season. They've been very inconsistent, yet they looked like NBA champions against the Cavs. They really did. They look like they're going to win it all with how they dominated this Cavs team. This loss is really concerning because they just can't match up. That's why they're losing. That's why they're losing so bad. There's nothing that they can do. They can't change the outcome of this game. The matchups are not in their favor. And the Thunder, as you see Paul George, he might have got away with a travel here. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But the Thunder might not even make it to the finals. Yet even if they did, the Cavs would be in trouble. Paul George dancing on LeBron. The final score 148 to 124. I'm gonna hit this guy with the manual blitz on third down. Look at this manual blitz. Cheese. Oh no, oh look, they made me stop.
Cheese.
They hit me with the nano detection. Look at that cheese. I got nano detected. I got frozen.
Cheese.
I can already